Assalamu alaikum dear friends. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Creator. Alhamdulillah, I am doing fantastic. Yesterday I got favored. Now today I feel good. And I would like to talk about how to think in English. You know, you are learning English. If you can't think in English all the time spontaneously, then you will be stuck in English at the same place where you began. So it is crucial to get thinking in English. It's not rocket science I am going to teach you. It's really a simple thing. You can do it, you can build it over time. All you need is practice. The more you practice, the more you get fluence in English. Begin with start naming everything around you. You are seeing a cow. Just describe the cow in English. The cow is black color. The cow is female. And the cow has a calf. The cow has a pair of horns. And the cow gives us milk. The cow is nibbling on grass. The cow typically eats grass, hay, and water with husk. You can describe like these things in English. But you need to remember, you must start with naming. It is really simple to start. In addition, talk to yourself. You know, when you're talking with yourself, you are just forming sentences and you are getting clarity what being used in this sentence, grammaticals, vocabulary, and how the sentence is forming. You can understand it slowly. So it can also give you the insight, like you have learned lot of things through watching videos, reading articles, or reading textbooks, but you do not talk to yourself, so you cannot get clarity. If you want to get clarity, you have to think in English. If you want to get clarity, you must talk to yourself. This is the best way to get clarity. Furthermore, think in simple sentences. You don't need to start with big sentences. Just start like stop, going to market, having tea. Just start with simple words, and over time you are getting this kind of full sentences. I am reading books. I love having time with my family, friends. Then you can make full sentences. Over time you get fluency. You get yourself in a place you could not imagine before. So this is the best way which I know and which I have learned from my experience that I shared with you. So please, if I make any mistake, forgive me. And I know I am still making a lot of mistakes in my sentences. I hope so I will make progress over time, and it is totally fine making mistake in beginning time. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon in another video.